Motherfuckers can't say that drug heads ain't active. Y'all just watch me fucking eat a shit ton of, well, I don't know, like 7 caps. I haven't posted it all yet. But I'm on like 7 caps. Got a blunt in my pocket. Cigarettes in my pocket. You'll see me smoking in a minute. But we training, baby. We fucking training. Gotta build that stamina up. And from whenever I first started this journey, 9 weeks ago till now, y'all can hear it in my voice, the difference. I mean, we're 30 seconds in, we actually running. These are dogs running. What, you wanna go, Sissy? Let's go. We're wearing peeves down. But yeah. So, and we still just, it is what it is, baby. You ain't me. And say another shrooms and weed. But I'm gonna actually enjoy this shit. So I eat the caps. And the dog's wanting to run a little bit. That's us running since. Gotta pee? Hang on, sis. You just gotta pee. See y'all in a minute. Good times. Tell me this ain't perfect though. Like the perfect fucking spot. I'll probably have 30 minutes before it gets dark. Luckily, that's gonna drown out some noises. Sleeping ought to be real easy.